Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Are you guys fed up of the slow speeds of your old Android smartphone? So this video is for you guys. I'm gonna be showing you how you can speed up your old Android smartphone by doing these simple steps. So let's get started.
First of all, you need to open the settings app, then you have to scroll down to about phone, then you have to click on software information, then you will find build number written over there. You have to tap it 5 to 6 times, then you have to go back, and then you will find developer options. Just scroll down a bit, you will find Windows animation skill. Just click on it, animation is off, select animation is off, duration you can also select that off, it's totally upon you. Then you have to go back and just use the phone. That's it. Now as you can see, it is quite faster than before. So if you like the video, please click on the like button, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe it and turn on the post notifications so you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.